a major construction site in the north of Germany. The challenge to insert and process high-quality bound insulation fill on about 4,000 square meters of flooring. And all that flexibly, rapidly and efficiently. Here, the Alpha CR Styrofoam goes into action. The machine is perfectly suited for economically efficient mixing and installation of lightweight screed like Styrofoam for insulation. Thereby, the large funnel facilitates filling in 500-litre sacks. In comparison to the conventional method, the technique of mixing Styrofoam material with binders results in a substantial increase of the daily output and laydown rate. In addition, it saves valuable work time. The machine is equipped with a 650-litre mixing vessel. Due to the large vessel, lightweight screed can be installed significantly faster and more efficiently. Automatic water dosage in combination with a pneumatic butterfly valve saves even more time. The machine is equipped with a robust 45.5 kilowatt Deutz engine and a high-performance compressor. Naturally, it complies with the latest EU emissions standard Stage 5. The tidy engine compartment offers optimal working conditions and easy access to all components. The cooling system is equipped with 2 hydraulically driven fans. Special filter baskets prevent Styrofoam material from clogging. The new control system is particularly user-friendly, self-explanatory and self-sufficient. The display is protected by shock-resistant bulletproof glass and provides important information and performance data at any moment. In a nutshell, the Alpha CR Styrofoam is another example of world-renowned top quality made in Germany.